The Sophia Floor Plan features a spacious pantry, a modern kitchen with white cabinets and black fixtures, and a luxurious bathroom with contemporary tiling and hardware. It's designed to be both stylish and functional. Ready to experience the Sophia for yourself? Visit our website at www.chrisbronhomes.com or call us today at 812-449-8358 to schedule a tour. And if you loved what you saw, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing home tours and updates. Thank you.